What shall I draw? Keywords. Draw. Lawn. Hawk. Saw. Sight words. Shall. Many. I need to draw something from nature for my class. But I don't know what to draw. The lawn looks nice. Perhaps I'll draw some grass. A cricket hops out and eats the grass. Perhaps I'll draw the cricket. A frog sticks its tongue out and catches the cricket. Perhaps I'll draw the frog. A snake comes out and catches the frog. Perhaps I'll draw the snake. A hawk swoops down and takes away the snake. Perhaps I'll draw the hawk. I saw so many things, I say to Mrs. Johns. It was hard to decide what to draw. So I drew a food chain.